Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 50th birthday celebration of our mother, Gina Tan. This evening is all about honoring her, her love, and the countless ways she has touched our lives. So enjoy the food, enjoy the company, and celebrate with us. Let the celebration begin.
So the first time ko pala nakita si Balae, magaang ng loob ko. So thank you for loving Iko. Thank you for loving my family. And thank you for everything.
Nakita namin yung pinagdaanan niya, yung milestone, yung journey na pinanggalingan niya at nakaabot siya sa estado na ito. So, very happy kami para sa iyo, Mare.
Happy birthday, Ninang Gina.
Of course, I very well know that she has her own challenges. And yet, she is one of the persons that I know that has been very much blessed. And I believe that is because she is innately a very good person. She has a good heart.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama G!
Wala akong masabi sa kanya. Talagang totoo po yung sinabi niyo. Meron po talaga siyang puso na mapagbigay, mapagmahal, lalo na sa pamilya niya, sa kaibigan niya. Lagi po siyang nandyan para tumulong. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday!
Saan ka po makakahanap na stranger? Pipick upin ka sa bahay, dadaling ka sa ospital para ipa-check up. Kakain muna kayo sa labas, pumunta pa kami sa airport, nagkayayaan, tara mag-Cebu tayo.
Mama G, you have been down, you have been up. Ang mahalaga lang yung mga tawanan natin, mga pampabalanse ng buhay, kailangan natin yan. And at the same time, you are a family. Thank you.
Long life, prosperity, happiness, and of course, a productive life to help many more people. Yeah. Okay. So, happy birthday, Jean!
Hopefully, sa Diyos, yung Diyos, bigyan ka pa ng mas maraming blessings at mas maraming apo na kasing tatalino ng kanilang mga magulang. Thank you. And
Hello, Manay Gina! Happy 50th birthday! Happy birthday, Manay Gina!
Four things. Thank you, sorry, I'm proud of you, and happy birthday. This day is for you, and I know this is destined by God. From the bottom of my heart, happy birthday po.
Watch it begin. We're gonna shine.
Happy birthday, Jean!
Growing, changing, moving, chasing, come alive.
Timeless elegance. That's what describe her tonight as she celebrates her 50th birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Gina! Isang masigabong palakpakan!
We are stronger together. We are stronger.
Thank you, Ma. Salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Tulad ng lagi sinasabi ni Mama, sino ba naman mag-aakala na high school graduate lang may ganito, may ganyan. May kakilala dito, may kakilala dyan. Pero para sa akin, sino ba naman na mag-aakala na magkakaroon ako ng nanay na tulad mo, Ma? So, in all seriousness, Ma, thank you na ikaw naging nanay ko. Ayun. Yun lang po.
Happy birthday, Madam!
And all that we've grown. Growing, changing, moving.
Ma, you've been my constant, my safe place through every stage of my life.
You've loved me in ways I didn't always understand at the time. You are my biggest supporter and my greatest comfort. 50 years of your life have been a gift to me, to me and to everyone in this room. But especially to me, I am endlessly grateful, endlessly proud, and incredibly lucky to be your son.
Side by side with every heartbeat. We are stronger together.
This is not supposed to be as grand as this. It's supposed to be a simple dinner. Ma, you deserve this kind of celebration. Ang nanay ko, if I have to describe my mom, matulungin, genuine, she's simple. And I think mag-agree naman lahat ng tao dito na pag nagmahal ng nanay ko, kaibigan man yan, pamilya man yan, ibibigay niya lahat. Kakainin na lang niya, ibibigay pa niya. And wala ako dito kung hindi dahil sa'yo.